The steering wheel and handlebar controls lets you navigate the interface and change vehicle settings and audio volume quickly and safely while on the go. The Applet Switcher lets you cycle through your favorite applets. Press once to change the current applet. Press again to select another applet. You can also long press to quickly go back to the full gauge view. Ride settings lets you adjust the vehicle dynamics and audio volume. Press once to open in the ride settings on screen. Press again to switch categories. Use the up and down button to choose your desired setting. The Applet Switcher and Ride Settings Manager, found in the Preferences section, lets you customize the applets and ride settings in rotation to make sure your experience matches your needs. The microphone button also offers some useful features. When a Vibe or a Vibe Universal Communication System is paired, a short press will mute or unmute the microphone. A long press will activate the phone voice assistant if a phone and headset are paired.